Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, ventilated seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, backup camera, Bluetooth. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.